Imagine your auto shop in Atlanta running on AI that never sleeps. Sales soaring, customers lining up. Sounds like sci-fi? Think again. This isn't just any upgrade. It's a complete AI-powered marketing system by America's best shops. Picture this: AI that predicts your next big repair trend before your competitors even notice. Your shop filling bays faster than ever, all while you focus on what you love, fixing cars. But here's the twist. This system learns and evolves, turning every marketing dollar into gold. No more guessing games or wasted ads, just pure data-driven results. Watch your local shop become a local legend, dominating Atlanta streets. And guess what? It's so simple. Even tech newbies are crushing it. Feeling stuck? This tech is the breakthrough your shop has been waiting for. The future isn't coming, it's already here, revolutionizing automotive shops one AI-powered step at a time. Ready to stop working harder and start working smarter? What would you do if your shop never had an empty bay again?